Hi everyone, hope you're doing well from wherever you're watching this channel, depending on your time zone. Now, William Samoei Ruto was caught pants down immediately when the news emerged from Shakahola about the people who were forced to fasting, that then you starve to death. It painted an image of a state that cannot protect its own people. The question was that what the work of NIS? Was Ruto being fed with wrong report, or he was not taking matters serious when he was getting information? Or is the state connected to what was happening in Shakahola? Was it their plan? Why did this happen? So Ruto started talking tough. And after talking tough, he went further to commit other mistakes. In fact, Ruto broke the law. He went further to form a commission of inquiry of 7 or 8 people. And then they were supposed to check on the issue of Shakahola. But Raila Odinga said, no, look here. You are breaking the law and I'm going to stop you. You cannot try to form a commission as the president. You think that you have power to do so. Raila said that this will never happen. So, the Azimio coalition went further to file the case, and this was 2 weeks ago, arguing that the President William Ruto appointment of the 8-member team is illegal and amount to usurpation of the power vested in other state organs by the constitution. Si yake kwa state organs zingine. So Dr. Ruto's appointment had appointed a commission. That one was on May 4th, and he had named the Court of Appeal Judge Justice Lesit, who is also the chair, to investigate the death, torture, and inhumane and degrading treatment of victims linked to the Good News International Church in Kilifi, linked to Pastor Paul Mackenzie. Hiyo timu yake ikawa hapa ya watu 8. Sasa hata huyu Court of Appeal Judge Justice Lesit is a man in question also on the same. Wanasema ya kwamba huyu ni mtu ya Ruto. Kwa hivyo hata hawezi kuja na ukweli kuhusu mambo ambayo yanafanyika Shakahola. So after Raila filing a case, the court made a ruling suspending that commission. As I'm speaking now, that commission is suspended until the case has been heard and ruled. So Raila amesimamisha ama hajasimamisha? As simple, amesimamisha. And I'm telling you, this power is vested somewhere else, not in the hands of the chief and commander of the armed forces of this country. No. And I'll tell you, we are recording this time in a discussion, but just a quick request. For those who are watching and you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing. To the returning subscribers, I must say thank you so much. And again, to all our viewers, please give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much. And back to this discussion. Now, what Ruto was doing was purely the work of the Judicial Service Commission, JSC. The work of appointing a commission is just vested in the JSC only. Any president in this country, going by our 2010 constitution, has no such usurping powers to appoint any commission. And Raila said it. Someone said, oh, Raila is making noise. Raila knew what he was talking about. And that's why you are seeing the court has been able to suspend. So all what Ruto was doing was playing PR, so that he's being seen as if he's trying to do something using the executive powers. Kwa hivyo Ruto alikuwa anatumia vyombo vya habari kuonekana kwamba anafanya kitu. Such that when it comes to the media, It will be, so this one has happened, but the president has appointed a commission, so it means he's serious. He wants to get deeper into this issue on what has happened there. So it means something is happening. So you get that perception, because even this matter had gone into the international media. They have been talking about it, what has happened in Kenya, and it was painting William Ruto as a clueless president. So someone somewhere quickly advised William Samoei Ruto, try to do something even if it is against the law. Ruto is in gross violation of the law expressly and in action. This is a gross violation of the law. So look how far Ruto can go to violate the law. A man who took an oath of office to protect the constitution and the law of this country. Today is violating the law. The outcome of that case will not favor William Ruto. Baada ya kesi kusikizwa mpaka mwisho, they will suspend it, and they will disband it. Today they have suspended it, but they will disband it at the end of the day. Hii kazi ni ya Judicial Service Commission kama kuna mambo ya kufanya. Na haja yake ilikuwa ni kwamba kwanza kusukuma mahakama kutumia njia ya siasa. You try to play politics around there for the judges to start making rulings in fear. That is what he was looking for. So that now they will make wrong judgment because he won't run away with this one that you will be seen as doing something. No. You, Ruto, you failed. You are feeding intelligence report at your disposal. The NIS is reporting to you direct. They have a direct contact. They call you every time. You are sitting in a security meeting. You chair it. You get information. You failed Kenyans. So don't play PR exercise here. I'm telling you, it's all PR. So I'm a former commissioner and it's talking tough. Something is happening. Lies. Drama. So Raila said he's stopping. He has stopped it. Kila mtu akae kwa laini yake, ajue kiwango chake na penye anaweza fika. All this is meant to expose William Ruto. So it is clear that up to now Ruto has done nothing to do with the issue of Shakahola. And when he was in an interview, when he was asked, can you apologize to Kenyans? And he said, I'm apologizing, this has happened, but we have formed a commission of inquiry to take into this issue. So in as much as apologizing, telling Kenyans, this is what I'm doing. What he was saying he's doing was a gross violation of the law. Now you know. So if he was in a gross violation of the law, it means he has totally done nothing to do with the sorting out this problem. Anakaa tuko Statehouse akiongea hot air, but nothing tangible on ground. Alipatwa akiwa uchi na ulimwengu mzima imemwona ako uchi. Hakuna mahali anaweza kimbilia kujificha. Ruto, you have nowhere to hide. The world has seen you. Kenyans knows you. They are now rest assured that they have someone who will never safeguard their security. Uweze amini Ruto na maisha yako. Kama watu wamekufa 240 na wengine bado hawajafukuliwa, alafu anasema asije amefanya mambo, anakuja na PR exercise. Yeye mwenyewe aliuliza swali, kwa nini Mr. President up to now wewe mwenyewe hujaona haja yoyote ya kwenda kule Shakahola? Kwa nini? Na mpaka saa hizi Ruto alisema sijui there is channel of information, there is a plan is put on ground, the operation is going on, so there is no need for him to go there. You see, so he value the less even to the dead and affected families. Raila alienda kula akasimamishwa as if Raila is not a leader. Listen here, Raila command more than half of this country. Ruto uko na nusu, Raila ako na nusu. So unasimamishaje mtu ambaye hako na usemi mkubwa kama huu, na watu wenye wamekufa kule ni watu wake, asiende kuwaona? Wewe mwenyewe hakuna kitu yote unafanya, umekaa State House, lakini kazi yako ni kuzuia media, kuzuia Raila na viongozi wengine wasiende huko. Kwani kuna nini hii fiche yenye wewe hutaki Wakenya wajue kuhusu Shakahola? Inafanya Wakenya wanaanza kufikiria kwamba you are a part and parcel of what is happening there. This is what people will conclude. So today, the court has exposed William Samoei Ruto. He's doing little and nothing to show on the ground that the state was trying to do towards what has been Shakahola. At least the good PR would be if Ruto was going to Shakahola to be there, alafu aongee hizo tafu akiwa huko, akiona hizo mili, akiona hizo makaburi. Ameogopa kwenda huko yeye mwenyewe. Now you know the leader of the people na kiongozi mwenye amepandwa kwa Statehouse na watu wachache. Thank you and see you in our next video. I think the reason why Raila, before I close it, the reason why Raila Odinga is going to suspend, went to the court to suspend what Ruto is doing, is because Raila is looking for the truth in this matter. Kama Ruto ataweka pale hiyo commission yake that is answerable to him, like someone like Jesit Lesit huyo mwenye wanasema anamcontrol, it means Kenyans will never get to know the truth. He want a commission that will be formed through the JSC, which will not be answerable to William Ruto, so that Kenyans will get to know the truth. Otherwise, it means Ruto is trying to hide the truth from what happened in Shakahola. So I had to say this one before I sign out. That one should be very clear. And as much as you are criticizing, the truth is that that commission was meant to hide something from the public. But Raila wanted a commission that will bring the truth to the people, which is not answerable to Ruto, but to the public. Thank you. I sign out.